How does State Farm Drive Safe work? State Farm's Drive Safe and Save program is a usage-based insurance plan that offers discounts based on driving behavior. It uses either a mobile app or a plug-in device to track how safely you drive, and the data collected determines the discount you receive on your auto insurance premiums. Below is a breakdown of how State Farm Drive Safe and Save works. 1. Enrolling in the program. To get started, you must be a State Farm customer. You can enroll in the Drive Safe and Save program either online or through your agent. Once enrolled, you'll need to either download the Drive Safe and Save app or install a plug-in device for vehicles without smartphone compatibility. 2. Tracking driving behavior. The program tracks various aspects of your driving, including speeding habits. Driving over the speed limit can lower your discount. Hard braking. Frequent hard braking indicates aggressive driving. Time of day, driving at night, particularly between midnight and 4 a.m., can impact your score. Mileage. Lower mileage can result in a higher discount. Third, data collection period. State Farm will track your driving behavior for a period of time, usually around 3 months. During this period, the app or device gathers data about your habits and driving patterns. 4. Receiving a discount. Once the evaluation period ends, State Farm will assess your driving behavior and determine your discount, which can range from up to 30%. Good driving habits, such as minimal hard braking and driving during safer hours, are rewarded with higher discounts. If your driving habits show a higher risk, you may not receive a discount. 5. Renewing the program. After the initial tracking period, you will continue to receive discounts based on your ongoing driving behavior. The program allows for continuous tracking, and your discount can be adjusted as your driving habits change. 6. Optional add-ons. State Farm also offers other ways to increase savings with additional services like tracking your phone usage while driving. State Farm's Drive Safe and Save program rewards safe driving with discounts, making it an excellent option for cautious drivers. However, those who exhibit risky driving behaviors may not receive the same benefits and could see a higher premium. To get the most competitive quote on insurance in your area, simply click on the link in the description below.